Hey guys, our first workout after Vietnam. Had about 3 weeks off. This is going to hurt today, but that's the point, eh? So what's in the headphones? What do I listen to? Black Eyed Peas. Gets me through. Travelling's great, but then when you get back, you've got to work off everything that you ate. But check out that view. Way up yet, guys. Look, I thought I'd probably just reach out and say g'day. Got a new YouTube channel. Just got back from overseas, Vietnam, Thailand, Bali. Just trying to work off my stomach. All the nasi goreng and rice dishes and alcohol that I've drunk over the last 3 weeks. Tried to post videos as best I can. Look, I'm still trying to learn how to edit and everything like that, so just bear with me. I'm getting there. Really wanted to post stories on just my travel adventures, where I'm going, where I've been, the accommodation. I love accommodation. I like to be able to see it before I go, so I'm not disappointed when I get there. So that's why I try and upload a lot of accommodation, just to give you some ideas, especially if you're paying online, you know, booking.com, etc. You know, they show all the good photos. So yeah, look, hopefully someone out there gets some enjoyment out of it. Like I said, I'm doing the best I can. So bear with me, and hopefully the videos will get a bit better. I try and do this hill every morning, get the heart pumping, especially if you're going to be following my YouTube and wanting to go to the destinations that I go to. You're going to want to build up a bit of cardio there. So we're nearly at the top. This isn't the top. We are halfway there. So yeah, look, again, I'm just all new at this YouTube stuff, so you know, like I said, my videos are going to be a little bit scratchy. I'm learning how to edit, so you know, give me a break, take it easy on me, and if you do enjoy it, yeah, look, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll bring as much content as I can. Righto, so this is the top. What a view. So again, I'm not going to post these type of videos every day unless you want me to, but just thought I would yeah, say g'day, made it back home, and I plan on heading overseas very soon again, and hopefully this time the content is a lot better. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and let's go down. You've got a view like this. It makes it rewarding. Yeah, so again, guys, just hope you're enjoying the videos that I'm uploading. Again, you know, cut me some slack. I am learning, but I'm doing the best I can. So yeah, again, if you like it, give us a like. If you want to see more, give us a subscribe. Feels good. If you're at home on the lounge, hit subscribe and then get up and go for a walk. Send me some photos, comments, messages. Yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Also, yeah, if you're gonna plan a holiday, Google some activities. I went on a Bangkok bike ride. It was one of the best things I have done. So you know, you get to meet new people that are on holidays just like you, and yeah, you get to see part of the world that you normally wouldn't see. So yeah, get out there. Righto, now we're at the bottom. Yeah, look, I just wanted to say again, look, I don't have a degree in editing, marketing. You know, my videos are just what I do. So yeah, just be kind. Again, I'm learning. I'm slowly learning how to edit. So yeah, hopefully the future videos will be a lot better.